Hey guys, Majestic NISARG. Today we're roasting a bird. It's called Koyel. It's a baby bird, but it's still really fat. Guys, this is a tiny bird. Look. You're not going to move with it apparently. Look guys, the side, it's really fat. Now look at every angle and see actually how fat it is. He breathes and it gets extra 2 times fat if he breathes. Wait, first we need to peel it with a knife like this. This is too violent to me. Guys, wait, we need to put spice on this. Are you guys ready? Matchstick versus Koyel Birds. And also he pooed a little bit. Guys, we're not going to do this inside. Then first the table will burn. Then slowly the floors will burn. Then the whole house will be burned. And apparently the firefighter is gonna take 1 million minutes to call. So that's a problem. But we're gonna do this outside so the whole place doesn't burn. Guys, this is Koyel Bird, and there is a real difference. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more fatter and a little bit more fatter, but it has a good difference. Really good difference. You can see how small it is. Guys, we need to cover this up with aluminium foil. Guys, look, we are unwrapping this now, so it will be good. Okay, please. There's already getting set up right here. Okay, heat blast! Oh! Total heat blast. Now we can see it cook. Ooh, that's enjoyable.